We like to be at the store an hour and a half, 2 hours before daylight, collecting decoys and blinds and deciding what we're going to do for that day. And then we head on out. I grew up just with the love of the outdoors. My parents had me outdoors 24/7. My earliest childhood memories are backpacking without a backpack because I was too little to carry one. No 2 days down here are alike, and that's really why I love it. It's a little town of 85 people. We promote being kind to one another down here and taking that from the indoors to the outdoors. Anybody that likes to be outdoors for any reason can find a lot of joy here in Picabo. We're kind of the first stop on the way to Yellowstone, off of the interstates, in the mountains. We've left the city. You know, we're in it now. It's the speed of the river. It slows you down. It's a slow, gin clear, slow meandering meadow stream, and no matter how intense you are as a person, and I've had my moments where I've been an intense person, you can sit by that creek and it slows you down. It quiets you, and it quiets your soul. To have that quietude and just let the valley and the creek itself kind of sink into your soul a little bit. And the store here really is the hub of Picabo. You can come in here in the morning and you will see cowboys sitting next to guys that own banks talking about duck hunting or the fish they caught yesterday. And for me, I just think that's really cool. Picabo just tears down social barriers of all kinds, and there's just so much going on here. I'm John Huber. I'm the general manager at Picabo Angler.